recommendation of the Provincial Finance Committee. Thus, draft provincial ordinance number 2025-09-17 the province of Ilocos Norte with the following opinions, findings, comments, and recommendation. 1. The provincial government has been providing appropriations in previous years' annual budget as follows. Letter A, budget of PHO under the GAT office for the PSPO at 4,000 pesos a year. And letter B, budget of PHO for the PINAW for the PNS, the Barangay Nutrition Scholar, at 4,000 pesos a year. And letter C, a budget from the Office of the Governor under the Office of the Barangay Affairs for the PSW at 4,000 pesos a year. Number 2, due to limited funds of the provincial government, we can only provide same appropriation for budget for year 2026. And number 3, the increase of financial assistance can be through supplemental budget depending on the availability of funds. In line with this, the Joint Committee also finds that the enactment of the ordinance will be duplication of a program that has long been being implemented by the provincial government. In addition, the proposed budget is not sustainable and non-feasible as there are other financial obligations, including other organizational sector that the provincial government of Ilocos Norte has to consider in relation to its annual budget. Finally, the Joint Committee recommends that only upon availability of sufficient funds can the subject ordinance be considered. In view of the foregoing, the Committee finds that the said ordinance to be redundant, not feasible and unsustainable, and without sufficient funds. Therefore, recommending that said ordinance be withdrawn and reconsidered. Mr. Chair, we respectfully move that this coming report be adopted and approved, Mr. Chair.
The provincial ordinance affects barangay workers, barangay nutrition scholars, and barangay service point officers. There are 4,999 of them in the whole province of Ilocos Norte, Mr. Chairman. Did the joint committee invite or inquire any of the stakeholders, Mr. Chairman?
Mr. Chair, actually, based on the local finance committee and the other committees, the health, the administration, together with the also the parliamentary, kumuha po ka ng informasyon sa kanila kung ilan po ba yung mga numbers of
Ang tanong po, Mr. Chairman, is iimbitahan niyo po ba yung mga presidente, members ng PSPO, HW, o PNS?
Mr. Chairman, we did invite the PSPO, the PNS, and the
Nag-committee hearing tayo dito, Mr. Chairman. Ito yung panggap ka ito yung ordinance. If we conduct a committee hearing,
Mr. Chair, yes. Committee, together with the other committees, the local finance committee, the Committee of Health, and the Committee of Appropriation.
when was the committee hearing, Mr. Chairman? Because I am a member of the Committee on Health and I did not receive any invitation, Mr. Chairman.
May nagtakating, if I'm not mistaken, last week, after our, during our session, of the session in Batangas, we conduct then thrice, committee hearing before I pass this to the Secretary.
May I ask the Secretary, Mr. Chairman, was there